Hey my little cluster babies, today I'm going to show you how to install these clusters without poking yourself in your eye, or better yet, if you don't know how to do it at all, I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is where I'm reusing my lashes because I didn't feel like opening up my new pack of lashes, so I'm reusing these. I took these off earlier during the week and I just like I know y'all want this. I know y'all want how to do this. So what I use is these type of tweezers. You can use any tweezers, my lash band and glue, and my lashes, of course. Right, yeah. So I just speed it up, cause I didn't want to do all that long talking and all that. But y'all, a few tips I'm gonna give you is, please wash your face before you do this. Do not come on here with dusty, crusty lashes, because I don't know where you're going with dusty, crusty lashes. Please brush your lashes. Please brush your lashes also, so that they can be full out enough and not clump together. This is why you should have washed your face beforehand. You can use any type of tweezers or any type of lash band and glue. You can use any type, but just to make sure it's a good one. Now my tip to you is, before you start everything, just brush the bond over your whole eye, just to get the feeling of what it feels like and all that. It's just like putting on mascara if you've put on mascara before, or just brushing your lashes if you've ever brushed them before. So just put it on, and then you're gonna work in sections. I said, I didn't say everything at once. So what I do firstly is I go over again with my lash band, and I put it specifically on where I'm going to put the first lash on, and then I put it on the thing also, on my lash also. I messed up here by not moving my hand to show you perfectly how it went on, but hey, you'll see it in the future. So actually go ahead and put the thing on. Don't put the tweezers too close or too far from the lash thing, so you can actually have space to put the lash on and not poke yourself in your eyes. I don't recommend these tweezers for beginners. If you're a very beginner, I do not recommend these tweezers. Please get some nice ones from the hair store or something, and then you just go on and you take your time, be gentle, listen to some music while you're doing this or something, but just be very gentle, because remember, your eyes are a very important part of your body and you need them. You need them. Yeah, you need them. So I put on the lash bond at the tip of the lashes, like on the top part, because I'm not really using the bottom part. Like, it's not like strip lashes. You're not really using the bottom part. So you put it on, you put enough lash bond on your eyes, guys. And then just go ahead and fill in the gaps. I hope you're not hearing me gulping. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to speak here without sounding like I don't normally speak like this. But anyways, yeah, so you can either close your lashes tight, close your eyes tight, so you can like make the lash stay on your eye. I don't know what the hell I'm saying, but yours, you like that, exactly like that. Yeah. Or you can get the lash thing itself and just clump it onto it. Yeah, vibe. Clump it onto it, and then you just go ahead and do the same thing over and over again. Take your time. Normally, if you're a beginner, this is supposed to take like roughly 20 minutes to 30 minutes, but it can take longer, it can take shorter, depending on your experience, depending on how much videos you watch before this. I hope you watch this video before you do this, because if you do, it will go on so neatly and so nicely. And don't have anxiety, guys. Don't have anxiety going into this, because if you feel like you're gonna poke yourself in the eye, you're going to, just because you're thinking about it. Just because you're thinking about it is going to happen. So just be careful, be gentle with yourself, and just take your time and do it. Don't rush anything. Just be careful, take your time. Don't put the lashes on your waterline, because that will cause styes. I heard it's never happened to me before, and I've never really put the lashes on my waterline, but in this video I did, because they were just not going on specifically where I wanted it to go. I was like, you know what, it goes on, I still look cute. So I did pull out my lashes after a week, so I don't know if it would have stayed on longer, it would have caused styes or anything. But just be careful, be gentle, and be nice to your eyes. Be loving to your eyes. Take your time. So I'm gonna go. Wow, you see how beautiful that is? I am so pretty also. But guys, if you have any if anybody has ever dealt with a not a keloid but an irritation bump on their nose, let me know in the comments what I should do about it. I keep cleaning it, but I don't want to do the aspirin thing. But should I do it? So yeah, this is not irritation bump video. Okay, take your time and put your lashes on. If you're going for the cat eye, you can either start from the inner corner or the outer corner. A lot of people start from the outer corner just because they want to, but I don't, because I'm doing a cat eye and I want to see how it's gonna look on the inside first. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna be showing y'all this over and over again. Hope y'all like this video. Comment, share, and subscribe to anyone who wants to do their own individual clusters and not want to have to ask anyone every single time they need to get it done. Hope you like this video and just keep watching. Don't have anxiety. Be there for yourself. I don't know what I mean by be there for yourself, but literally don't be having anxiety and just take time with yourself. You're gonna learn at some point. You're gonna do it fine. Just be careful. See, the lash literally fell in my eye, and see how I was fine. I was quite fine. Don't freak out. Don't act up. Don't do the most. Just take your time. Do what you're supposed to be doing. Bye. Listen to some music while I vibe with this and while you see this over and over how you're supposed to do this. I did the other eye off camera and also forgot to record it, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video and actually learned something. Bye.